Smart Shopper's mission to make sure all of you pay less. So tonight, deals at your favorite grocery store before the ads even make it to your doorstep, courtesy of Daphne Monroe.
Score some savings on your food bill this week by knowing what deals you can expect to find at Valley grocery stores.
If you buy 4 boxes of General Mills Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Cocoa Puffs, and Honey Nut Cheerio cereal, you'll get each one of them for $1.49 each at Safeway. Plus, at Food City, you can score 4 pounds of navel oranges for $1, and you can buy up to 8 pounds for that price. At Fry's, you can buy a 6-ounce container of blackberries for just 87 cents each with a limit of 4. Also at Fry's, you can save on split chicken breasts, drumsticks, or thighs for just 97 cents per pound. At Bash's', you can buy whole chickens for just 97 cents per pound with a limit of 2 packs at that price. Head to Albertsons where you'll find a deal on boneless, skinless chicken breasts for just $1.77 per pound. And don't forget, on Wednesday is the best day to shop at Sprouts because their ads overlap on that day, giving you double the savings.
Make sure to check your Valley grocery store ads before heading to the store. And you can also head to our website because I'll have more Valley grocery store deals posted there. I'm Daphne Monroe, your Smart Shopper.